Hello and welcome back. This is attorney Alan Edmunds and I'm speaking to you from our offices in Florida. We receive a lot of calls and a lot of emails on questions about security clearance and military discharge upgrades, as well as debarments and federal actions against employees. But this week, I wanted to talk about some questions that you have when the case that you have appears to be overwhelming and the government is taking away your clearance because of numerous violations under the DoD directive, adjudicative guidelines 5220.6. I have been doing this for over 45 years. Our attorneys have been doing this for many, many years, and we're very successful in most cases. Not all, but in most cases. And it's because we litigate aggressively and we're very experienced and knowledgeable. In any event, the case I want to talk to you about is an individual that was in the military. He had good conduct medals, Navy achievement medals, and he had 3 DUIs. He also had some criminal arrests, and he had some personal conduct allegations because he failed to put down all of the incidents that I just described on his SF-86. And so the government moved to revoke his clearance, which he had had for a number of years, including years while he was on active duty. We took the case. We were happy to help him. Other attorneys quoted him $5,000 to $7,000, and some attorneys wouldn't even touch the case. They felt it was a loser. We took the case and we litigated it. We filed a lot of exhibits, but most importantly, we prepared our client for his cross-examination with the government attorney and the judge. And at the conclusion, I'm going to spoil the ending. At the conclusion, the judge said that although there was numerous concerns at the inception, and I'm going to quote the judge, so forgive me for reading this, under this whole person analysis, I conclude that the security concerns under guidelines G and J have been mitigated. 3 DUIs, we mitigated them. Failure to list items on his SF-86, we mitigated them. And he said, the PSAB should overturn the action revoking appellant's eligibility for access to classified information and assignment to duties that have been designated national security sensitive. So this was a recommendation from the administrative judge to the PSAB board. And the PSAB board handles cases where the member is connected to one of the branches of the military or works on a military base. The reason I bring this to your attention is don't give up. A lot of you are overwhelmed when you get an SOR. This individual was overwhelmed when he got a statement of reasons. And he said, there goes my career, there goes my clearance. And he called us at 800-481-2526. We put together an incredible case for him, and he was delighted, needless to say. We saved his career, we saved his clearance, and he's back at the job. So if you have a difficult case or you have questions, I'm attorney Alan Edmunds. I would love to hear from you. 800-481-2526. Thank you.